Welcome to our quick guide on integrating Custom GPT into your Demandware site. Step 1. Find your sitemap. You can find your sitemap at hostname/sitemapindex.xml. Step 2. Create a Custom GPT agent. Sign into your Custom GPT app and start a new project. Create project. Add your sitemap and name it. Click on Create Project. Step 3. Copy embed code. Once your project is ready, navigate to the project settings. Click on Sharing. Click on Embed Code and copy the code. You can easily paste this code into your website settings. Curious about how it looks? Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.